Hey you guys, it's Yesenia. If y'all want to see how I achieved this look just by blow drying my hair, then keep on watching. So I'm going to be blow drying my hair. I went ahead and put in my Garnier Fructose Style Flat Iron Perfector Straightening Mist. Smells so good, and it's a pretty good affordable price. So So I'm going to start off by parting my hair. I normally just part my hair straight down the middle. See? Like so. Now I'm just going to tie it half up. Just clip it. So I went ahead and parted my hair. So I'm just gonna section it straight down the middle. Brush it. And I'm gonna spray a little bit more of this section of my hair, just because I did spray all around my hair, but just in case, I want to get these ends really good. Push it. And now plug up my skeleton. That I'm going to be using is this Gym Force Intense Ceramic blow dryer. Nothing special. It was pretty cheap. I got this at TJ Maxx a while ago. And I'm going to be using this brush while I'm blow drying my hair. I like to go like that and just blow dry it. I like for the ends to curl in like outward, inward, whatever. And do this back section over here. Brush it. See how nice and sleek that is compared, well, this side I haven't done anything to, but that's how it's looking so far. Now I'm brushing this side and I'm doing the exact same thing. then brushing it out. See? And now I'm going to be doing that to the rest of my hair. So again, for the other side, I'm going to be drenching my hair with this. And of course the ends, because they really need it. And then I'm going to be brushing it out to make sure there's no knots. So now I'm going to be grabbing a section. Grabbing my, I don't know what these are called. I guess blow dryer brush. I don't know. Needs to be dried a little bit more to the room. There we go, done with this side. So I'm gonna be tying it with the rest of the other side that it's done. Now I'm gonna brush out this side and do this side as well. What's cool about this is there's like a setting that you can put it on. This is like hot, the middle is like warm, and then the very first one it's cold. So if you don't want to damage your hair, then you can turn it on cold, but I leave it on hot just because it does the job quicker for me, and that's the whole purpose of my heat protectant. So with this piece. Now I just have this top piece left to do. I know it seems like a lot, but it's just because I have a lot of hair and my hair is pretty thick, so it takes a minute. nice, brushed. Now I'm gonna tie it up again. Tie up the section that is finished. So I'm just trying to split the hair in the middle as best as I can without a comb. Now I'm gonna drench my hair with this because this does not look healthy. Really hot in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest and I will be right back. Okay, so many hours later, I'm just kidding, it didn't take hours, but a few minutes later I am done with my hair. This is how it looks when I blow dry it. And now I'm going to be putting in some leave-in conditioner. Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Instantly Smooth Leave-In Conditioner Cream. So I'm going to be using like that much. It's honestly up to you on how much you want to use. Smoothing it out in my hands. I'm kind of like finger combing through my hair. And if you want some more volume to your roots, you can tease it, you can do whatever you want to add some more volume. But this is how I blow dry my hair. This is the way I do it. I feel like there's no right or wrong way. If you find a tip that works for you, or if you find a gimmick that works for you, then use that, you know? Like, there's no rule. In my opinion, there's no rule in like blow drying your hair. There's a specific way you have to do it. So I really hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another video.